Hi, are you looking for a quick and effective way to screen for potential alcohol use? ETG tests from Hallex Diagnostic are a reliable way to get the results you need. Benefits of ETG tests: reliable indicator of alcohol consumption, easy to use and read results, detection window of up to 3 days. Excellent way to monitor individuals who have been ordered to abstain from alcohol consumption. Why use an on-site ETG test? In the past, ETG alcohol testing was very expensive as it could only be executed in a laboratory with highly specialized equipment. Now Hallex Diagnostic offers a convenient lower-cost method that delivers reliable results on-site. So no need to wait on a laboratory. If you ever have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to hearing from you. You can reach us at the following places: